So, you want a new car, but every time you even think about applying for a lease, that three-digit credit score pops into your head and shuts the whole idea down. You feel stuck, frustrated, and tired of being told no. But what if no isn't the final answer? What if it's just the starting point of a new strategy? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the keys to a new car, even with a credit score that's seen better days. This is more than just getting a car. It's about taking back control and building a better financial future. First things first, you have to know exactly where you stand. Lenders often consider a credit score below 620 to be subprime, and the best deals are typically reserved for scores over 700. But that's not a hard and fast rule. Before you do anything else, grab a free copy of your credit report. Go through it line by line. See a mistake? Dispute it. Cleaning up errors is the fastest way to give your score a little boost. Knowing your score isn't about feeling bad, it's about being realistic. A lower score means you probably won't snag one of those zero-down lease specials you see on TV. Your options might be a bit more limited, but it doesn't mean you're out of options entirely. Okay, now that you know your number, it's time to build a case so strong they can't say no. Your credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. Lenders are really looking for one thing: stability. Start by gathering proof of your income. Your last few pay stubs showing a steady job can be your golden ticket. It shows them you can handle the monthly payments. Next, plan for a down payment. The more cash you can put down up front, the less of a risk you are to the lender. Think of it as showing them you're serious. This dramatically improves your chances of getting approved. If you're still hitting a wall, a co-signer with a great credit history can be a game changer. Just remember, if you have them co-sign, they are on the hook if you can't make the payments, so it's a big responsibility for them. When you have challenging credit, you have to be strategic. Forget the top-of-the-line luxury models for now. Focusing on more affordable cars makes it much easier to get an approval. Plus, some car manufacturers and their finance companies are known for being more flexible with credit. Do a little homework to see who is more willing to work with you. Look for dealerships that specialize in bad credit leasing or programs designed for those with less than perfect credit. Another fantastic option is to take over someone else's lease through a service like 𝐔𝐒𝐄𝐅𝐔𝐋 or Lease Trader. The credit checks for these can be less strict, and you might find someone offering a cash incentive just to get out of their contract. Look, leasing a car with bad credit is a challenge, but it's far from impossible. By knowing your credit situation, building a strong application, and shopping strategically, you can absolutely turn this around. And here's the best part: every single on-time payment you make gets reported to the credit bureaus. That means your new car lease is actively helping you build a positive credit history, paving the way for a much stronger financial future. You're not just getting a car, you're getting a fresh start.